children, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is festival we celebrate. As you all know, India is the land of festival. We celebrate different types of festival, right? Like religious festival, national festival and harvest festival. So one by one I will tell you about all the types of festival over here. So India is called what? Land of festival because many religious and national festival is celebrated here. Festival, what does festival? It's a time of joy and happiness. We wear new clothes, eat special foods, and on these days, we visit people and greet one another. We should celebrate all the festival with great zeal, right? So let's study with the first type of festival, that is religious festival. These are the festival that are celebrated by the people of different religion, right? Like first is Raksha Bandhan. It's a festival which tie a bond between brother and sister, and on this day sister tie rakhi on their brother's waist and brother gives blessings and gifts to their sister. Now Dashera, which is celebrated all over India with a great enthusiasm. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated as victory of good over evil. It is believed that on this day, Lord Ram defeated Ravan, the 10-headed demon king of Lanka. ठीक है, रावण को क्या करा था? डिफीट करा था। और रावण को आपको बताया कि वो कितना होता है? 10, मतलब 10 सिरों का 10-headed demon king होता है, राइट? नाउ दिवाली. What is Diwali? Festival of light, right? It is a festival of light. It is celebrated 20 days after Dashera, and it marks the occasion when Lord Ram come back to Ayodhya after spending 14 years of exile. जब वो 14 साल बाद वनवास से वापस आए थे, and people decorated their houses and shops, they distribute sweets, gifts to their relatives, friends. और इस दिन हम किसकी पूजा करते हैं? Goddess Lakshmi and Ganesha, right? People lit diyas and candles, children lit fireworks and crackers. It is celebrated as New Year by the businessmen. और जितने भी businessmen हैं, they इसको कैसे celebrate करते हैं? As their New Year. Now, next is Guru Parv, festival of Sikh. Sikh celebrate this festival and it is celebrated on Kartik Purnima. It is marked the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. All Gurudwaras are decorated. People go there and listen to the recitations of Guru Granth Sahib, and later everyone enjoyed community feast जिसको हम लंगर कहते हैं, right? Now Eid ul Fitr, most important festival, सबसे important festival है Muslims का. It comes at the end of holy month of Ramzan. People wear new clothes and go to mosque for offer namaz. And after namaz, what happened? They embrace each other. A special sweet dish जिसको हम सेवई कहते हैं, that is prepared over here. Then we have Christmas, celebrated by Christians, and where it is celebrated on 25th of December. किसका बर्थडे होता है? जीसस क्राइस्ट का, right? And the main festival of Christmas, people decorate their homes and churches, they light candles and sing carols in the church. Special prayers are held. Christmas trees are decorated with decorated lights and bells. People give gifts to each other, and it is said that Santa Claus brings gift for children. और Santa Claus क्या लेके आता है? Gift लेके आता है, right? So these all are the different types of religious festival. Let's see Pongal, which is the harvest festival. So और कहाँ का है? तमिलनाडु का. ये 3 डे का फेस्टिवल होता है. काउज आर फेड विद पोंगल राइस. फिर सन गॉड की वर्शिप की जाती है सेकेंड डे पे. एंड थर्ड बुल फाइट्स आर हेल्ड, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज ओनम, अनदर हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ केरला. ये मंथ ऑफ अगस्त और सितंबर में होता है. पीपल सिंग एंड डांस ऑन दिस डे. और फेमस स्नेक बोट रेस. स्नेक बोट रेस जो होती है वो कहाँ होती है? केरला में होती है. और कौन से हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल पे? ओनम में. Now national festival which is celebrated by in India, and सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात क्या है कि ये जो फेस्टिवल है ये सब लोग, जितने भी कोई भी रिलीजन के लोग सब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. रिपब्लिक डे 26 जनवरी ईयर 1950. India become republic on this day, and main function is celebrated where? At Delhi, right? The president of India takes salute from the grand parade held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. People from all over the country, देखो हर जगह से लोग आते हैं इस दिल्ली में इस परेड को वॉच कर. Now, Independence Day, it is celebrated on 15th of August. On this day, India got independence from British rule in 1947. कहाँ होता है फंक्शन ये वाला? रेड फोर्ट, न्यू दिल्ली. और यहाँ पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया नेशनल फ्लैग को होस्ट करते हैं. All over India, all schools are celebrated, and the principal hosts national flag in the assembly, and everybody recites patriotic song and national anthem. Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 2nd of October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, and who was a great freedom fighter. We lovingly call him Bapu. His samadhi is in New Delhi. It is called Rajghat. Now, Children's Day, which is celebrated on 40th November, and it is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister. इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज द टाइम टू रिमेम्बर सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ फ्रीडम फाइटर. टाइम है जब हम अपने फ्रीडम फाइटर्स के सेक्रीफाइस को रिमेम्बर करते हैं. राइट, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द डिफरेंट फेस्टिवल. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू फॉर लर्निंग विद मी. कीप एंजॉयिंग.